Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series, and this is its lesson 11 and part 3. Already we have completed our 10 lesson, and there I have discussed about basic of Microsoft Excel for beginner, then some tips and tricks to improve your work and to improve your skill, and finally I'm just started our learn 100+ Excel formulas. Okay, so as a Excel worker, it's very important to learn almost most important formulas that are required for a user. And here I will discuss almost about 100+ Excel formulas, that how we'll use that, how we'll implement that on our Excel sheet. So in this lesson I will discuss about max formula, minimum formula, average formula, product formula, and range between formulas. So if you're new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start. So first of all, we have to open our Excel file. So here is our Excel file, and already I have formatted that as a table format. And if you're new here, you can watch our previous video. That link are given in description. So for better understanding, I think you should watch our previous video, and it will create your basic very strong. So first of all, I will show you about max. What is the max formula actually? So by using max formula, by seeing that name, you have understand already that by using max formula we'll find out the maximum value from a row or from a columns. Okay, so from a table we'll just, or from that value we'll find out the maximum value or the of that table. Okay, so first of all, to do that, simply press equal to, then write here max. Okay, then here is our max. Okay, then bracket. After that it's telling us member 1, member 2. So from here, from which part we want to find out our maximum values. Suppose if we want that from here, if we want that where was our maximum worker in which day. Okay, suppose this is our day, number of day, day in a month, then is the number of worker worked for a project, suppose, and here is the wages, per head wages, and here is our per head total wages. Okay, so suppose first of all I want to take value from here, for worker, number of worker at which day. Okay, the maximum number of worker worked. So I will find out that. So simply select that and go down, then release, and after that give your bracket, enter. So it's showing us 54 maximum, the 54 worker worked, maximum 54 worker work in our project in any days. So if I find out here from where, so here the maximum worker have worked. Okay, and now if we want to which day, when our maximum total wages was in our project, so simply same equal to, then max. Okay, then also you can double click max, then from here this is our value, then bracket, enter. So that was our maximum cost. So if I come here our maximum cost. Okay, now we'll find out about minimum cost. Okay, minimum cost simply is the same as min, then bracket. Okay, from here select bracket, enter. So our minimum number of worker are 12 here. Okay, so if you see here 12 is minimum. Similarly here equal to minimum bracket, here, bracket, enter this 4800. okay, now we will find out the average. Okay, the average value. Then for any average, how we'll find out that? So suppose for that, what are the average worker per day? If we want to find out that, simply click here AVARAGE. Otherwise, when you will see here AV, just see here they have average. Okay, they have average. Then double click. After that, here average, just simply similarly select the total value where you want to find out the average, then bracket, enter. So that was the average of our that worker. So from for full line, that was the average worker. And if we want to find out the average wages, total wages, so what is that? Simply click here AV, then from here average, double click and select that, then bracket, enter. So that was the average of our value. So if we try to justify that, is it okay or not, that simply equal to then AV average. Okay, I will select that. I mean that the value will be same as 400, you know that. So that is 400, so its average is 400. So just here it's okay. Now if you see here, to find out the total, so from here if I click here, so to find out that total wages, we have just multiplied the 12 with 400. Okay, so how we have done that? Actually they have two way. This is known as product. Just simply press OK, then first of all select, then shift and your A star, I mean it will work as multiply, then again click here, then enter. Just see here, this is our value. Okay, and also we can just this is the simple value, that's why I mean this is the a low amount of value, I mean only two value we have multiplied, that's why we can do that. But when we'll multiply huge amount of data, then when we'll do that, I mean how we'll do that? To do that, simply click here equal to, then click here product, I mean type here PRODUCT. okay, product, then double click, then it's telling us number 1, number 2. Then if you want to product that number with that number, okay, then bracket, enter. Just see here, here is our data 480. And they have another way, just simply press equal to, then PRODUCT product, or when you write PRO, then see here the product, double click. After that, simply select both like that. Okay, select both like that and bracket, enter. So just see here how easy to multiply or by using that product, and by using that product formula. After that, this is RANDBETWEEN. Actually I have no idea about that RANDBETWEEN, actually at which purpose we will use that. And if I clearly tell you, they have no uses of RANDBETWEEN, and also they have many uses of RANDBETWEEN, because if I don't as I don't know about that uses, so they have no uses. And the person who know, then they have uses for his, because without any purpose that company never created any formula. So how will use that? Actually just double click, click enter, then after that write here RAND RANDBETWEEN VETWWEN RANDBETWEEN, then double click here. So now it's telling us our bottom value. What will be our bottom value? I mean the lowest value. Suppose our lowest value will be 10, then press comma, After that it's telling us top. So what will be our top value? It will be suppose 50, bracket, enter. Now it's telling us, it's giving us 39 actually. Okay, it's giving us 39. Actually, why it's giving us 39, I don't know. So if I just take mouse here, and when I'll get that plus sign, I'll move down and see here it's giving us different types of value here actually. Different types of value. The value between 10 to 15. Actually, why, what is the work of it, I don't know. So just if you click here, it's changing in at that side. If you click here at that side, it's changing. But why it's changing and what is its purpose, actually I have no idea about it. So that was for today, and in our next video I'll just try to cover another 5 important formula that are really required for our real life. So if you think that is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. And also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave comment on our video. So your own comment inspires us for the next work. So stay connected till next video.